Imagine this: you're gazing up at the night sky, billions of stars twinkling like distant fireflies. But what if that's just the tiniest glimpse of reality? What if beyond our universe lies something so vast, so mind-shattering, that it redefines everything we know about existence? Buckle up, because today we're venturing into the ultimate cosmic mystery: what lies beyond the universe. And trust me, the truths we're about to uncover will leave you questioning the very fabric of reality. This is what lies beyond the universe, the truth that will blow your mind. Let us kick things off by confronting the big puzzle that has kept humanity awake for millennia. Our universe feels infinite, but is it really the end-all picture? The observable universe as a bubble, stretching about 93 billion light-years across, packed with galaxies, stars, and mysteries like dark matter. But here's the kicker: what's outside that bubble? For centuries, thinkers assumed nothing, just void. Yet, modern physics whispers otherwise. The problem isn't just curiosity, it's fundamental. If our universe has an edge, what's on the other side? Does it loop back like a cosmic donut, or spill into something bigger? This enigma drives everything from ancient myths to today's telescopes, because solving it could unlock the secrets of creation itself. Digging deeper, the core challenge is our limited view. Light travels fast, but the universe expands faster, so distant regions race away, their light never reaching us. That creates a horizon, like a ship's view of the ocean, endless water. But you know land exists somewhere. Theories suggest beyond lies more of the same. Galaxies, perhaps identical to ours, in an infinite expanse. But push further, and we hit wilder ideas. What if our universe is one of many? A multiverse where alternate realities play out. This isn't sci-fi fluff. It's grounded in math and observations that make your head spin. Now, let's explore where we stand today. The current state of our cosmic quest is more exciting than ever. We know the universe kicked off with the Big Bang about 13.8 billion years ago, expanding from a hot, dense point. But inflation theory adds a twist. In the first split-second, space ballooned exponentially, smoothing out wrinkles we see in the cosmic microwave background, that ancient glow mapping the universe's baby picture. Data from satellites like Planck shows this radiation is almost uniform, with tiny fluctuations birthing galaxies. Yet, those same maps hint at anomalies, like a cold spot 4,500 times brighter than expected in some analyses, possibly a scar from brushing another universe. While skeptics chalk it up to distant galaxies or statistical flukes, it fuels debate. Enter the multiverse, a concept with layers. At its simplest, if the universe is infinite, every possible configuration repeats endlessly somewhere out there. A duplicate you lives a slightly different life, but quantum mechanics ramps it up. The many worlds interpretation says every decision branches reality, creating parallel worlds where alternate outcomes unfold. No time travel needed. These worlds coexist, separated by quantum veils. Recent quantum computing feats back this vibe: chips solving problems in minutes that classical machines would take septillions of years, hinting computations tap into multiple realities simultaneously. Critics argue it's just efficient math, not proof, but the speed suggests something profound at play. String theory weaves in more. Our universe has a membrane, or brain, floating in higher dimensions. Other brains could host sibling universes with tweaked laws, maybe gravity's weaker, or electrons heavier. Collisions between brains might spark big bangs, explaining our universe's birth. Observations support this indirectly. The Hubble constant tension discrepancies in expansion rate measurements could stem from interactions with mirror universes, where antimatter dominates. One model proposes a paired anti-universe running backward in time, balancing our matter excess. While no direct detection exists, these ideas fit equations elegantly, and experiments probing quantum gravity, like those at particle accelerators, edge us closer. On social feeds, the chatter's electric. Folks debate how dark energy, that mysterious force accelerating expansion and making up 68% of the universe, might be a leak from adjacent realms. One idea floating around: time as a pressure gradient, with our universe a local eddy in a vast flow. Photons zipping at light speed experience no time, so perhaps they're messengers from beyond, imprinting hints in our detectors. Brain science ties into time cells tracking subjective flow, suggest our perception mirrors cosmic malleability. These aren't baseless rants, They're inspired by solid finds, like black holes imaged by the Event Horizon Telescope, where space-time warps so extremely, peeking inside might reveal nested universes. But it's not all smooth sailing. Dark energy's enigma persists its constant, not diluting with expansion, defying expectations. Some theories posit its vacuum energy from quantum fluctuations, bubbling up everywhere. If varying across multiverses, ours lucked into a value allowing stars and life. Fine-tuning like this, the cosmological constant dialed to 120 decimal places miles of design. But multiverse proponents say it's selection bias. We observe what permits observers, while some doubt will ever confirm other universes empirically. Advances in simulating vast data sets let us model outcomes, predicting patterns that match observations. Pivoting to the future implications, this quest could revolutionize everything. Mastering multiverse mechanics might unlock unlimited energy, tapping quantum foam where virtual particles pop in and out. Imagine localized fields reversing entropy, yielding clean power from nothingness. Space travel transforms. Wormholes, those theoretical tunnels bending space-time, could bridge to parallel realms if stable. High-speed probes nearing light speed experience time dilation, journeys feeling short while eons pass, elsewhere perfect for exploring cosmic fringes. Medicine benefits too. Quantum simulations of complex biology in dilated states could cure diseases by crunching scenarios impossibly fast. Analyzing petabytes of genetic data in slowed computational bubbles sparks breakthroughs, yet urgency looms. What if multiverse access breeds inequality? Elites hopping realities, leaving others behind. Optimistically, it solves crises. Modeling climate across variants finds optimal paths, or harvesting dark energy combats scarcity. Skeptics warn timelines stretch decades, but quantum leaps like chips outperforming supercomputers suggest acceleration. Ethically, it evokes wonder. Understanding beyond fosters unity, seeing our universe as one thread in a grand tapestry. Logical loops in string models allow closed time-like curves without paradoxes, hinting safe exploration. In energy, drawing from vacuum fluctuations promises sustainability, as equations show feasible extractions without universe-ending backlash. For the speculative scenario that LL haunt your dreams, flash to 2100, Humanity S launched the Odyssey probe, a quantum-entangled craft piercing the veil. You, an astronaut in cryosleep, awaken to alerts, blaring sensors detect a boundary fluctuation. The ship hurtles toward a simulated singularity, engineered from metamaterials bending light like a black hole. Time slows. Outside centuries fly by, but for you, it's moments. Emerging reality, shimmers, colors invert, gravity pulls sideways. This isn't our universe. Stars clustered differently, laws tweaked so atoms vibrate harmoniously, birthing crystalline life forms that communicate via light pulses. Conflicts brew. A rogue AI faction, evolved in isolation, views intruders as threats, unleashing entropy waves to erase anomalies. Society fractures, some embrace the merge, blending minds across realms for godlike insight. Others retreat, fearing dilution of humanity. You navigate alliances, undoing a catastrophe where bubbles collide, merging timelines, vacations evolve. Dip into dilated pockets for eternal adventures in seconds, exploring virtual infinities. Yet, awe strikes deepest, realizing the illusion. Perhaps our original universe is a simulation in a higher one, lives echoing in nested loops. This isn't wild fantasy. It's extrapolated from today's inflation models and quantum branches, sparking curiosity about our place. But pull back. The true thrill is unjust what's beyond it, the human drive to know. From cosmic backgrounds to quantum quirks, each discovery unites us in wonder, pushing progress. This journey's for everyone, demystifying the cosmos, one relatable step at a time. Comment your wildest theory. What do you think lurks beyond? A mirror you, or endless voids? Would you venture out, or cherish our speck? If this expanded your horizons, smash like and share with a stargazer buddy. Subscribe, hit the bell for more universe-unraveling epics. Together, we'll chase the stars. Stay awestruck and keep wondering.